Oh, isn't this cute? Yeah, no matter how many times I see her do this, I just love it. Yeah, she looks so cute sitting there on the tuffet, all perfectly placed. Look at that. That's a tuffet loaf if I ever saw one. Yeah, it isn't a perfect loaf. Her tail is showing a little bit. Yeah, usually real loaves don't have a tail, but I guess we can have some slack here because this is a tuffet loaf. Yeah, look at that. Just so beautiful and shiny with that beautiful rich color. Yeah, you're so pretty. You're a pretty little tuffet loaf. Yes, you are. You want to think about that for a while, huh? Oh, that's a sweet girl. Yeah, that's a good relaxing spot, isn't it? It sure is. That's just the place to be. It's your own little territory, isn't it? Yeah. Oh. Oh, what? Something interesting happened, huh? Oh, you can relax there. Yeah, that's a real good spot. It's kind of a get away from it all, but still right in the office, huh? Yeah, your own little private getaway. That's just perfect. Yeah. Oh, my sweet girl. Look at that face.